Hey guys, it's Jada. Welcome back to my channel. So today what I wanted to do was something a little different. I know I look crazy, like yeah, you have no hair on your head and you have no makeup on, like what the frick is going on today? I ordered a wig from NADULA Amazon Hair and unfortunately it doesn't fit me quite well. So I wanted to actually show you guys how to make a wig fit your head if it's too small for your big dome like me. Been known that, but I actually forgot what my measurements were because I just got so used to making wigs for myself. I really didn't have to measure or anything. So I just wanted to measure just to re-measure myself, just to refresh myself. Yeah, my head is 22.5 inches. So to make this intro not too long, so yeah, we're just going to skip right into the video. I ordered this wig from NADULA Hair on Amazon, and this is the box it came in. You guys can see. I ordered a 13x4 lace frontal by them. I'll most likely put their website and stuff like on this side of me. But yeah, so I ordered their, what is it, 14-inch Brazilian water wave, I believe. If I'm incorrect, I will correct myself. Let me check actually. Water wave human hair lace front wig. It is a 16-inch wig. So I mainly wanted to order this wig simply because I needed an actual black, regular, everyday type of wig to wear, because most of my wigs, if you guys haven't seen all of my social media, is all colored. So I don't really have anything that's like a natural black, so I wanted something that would be more natural. So thank you, NADULA Wigs. They actually reached out to me, guys. Isn't that cool? They reached out to me and wanted me to try one of their hairs, and I got the wig. So this is the wig. It's very cute. I love the hair pattern. I love the texture of it. It's very, very, very nice. Now, the one thing that, because your girl over here has a very big head, their wig cap does not fit me because my head is huge apparently. So you guys can actually see, this is the frontal. This wig was pre-made. The construction inside is actually really, really nice. Like, this is gorgeous. And the hair is only $120, guys. A wig for $120, 16 inches, which is like a steal. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put the wig on. Yeah, one key thing to do, guys, to make sure, is to unstrap the back here. I hope you guys can see that. But just like unstrap the back. Don't let it go into any of the hooks there because the wig is too small. So if you put it inside of any of the hooks, it's not gonna work out for you. I already put the color, I use one of, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. So I use the espresso shade. Yeah, the espresso shade. But yeah, we're gonna do that. That's on. Boom. Forwards. So if you guys see me, again, if you guys see me looking down here, I'm looking at my mirror, so I'm not, you know, I need to see what I'm doing, obviously. So we're gonna zoom out just a little bit because there we go. Perfect. All right, bring this forward. Okay, now my cap is here, and obviously you want your hairline, which is back here, to go forward. So we're gonna bring her forward. If you guys start to hear any like cracking or anything like that, like I just did, just keep on going, you know. Oh. All right. So what my game plan is, so that you guys can understand, because I think I'm gonna like fast forward through a lot of this. So what my game plan basically is for the frontal. Oh, and I plucked it more, even though it says pre-plucked, I plucked it more just to throw that out there. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, just so you guys understand what I wanna do, I think I'm gonna make this more so a closure than a frontal, because since the sides are not aligning perfectly, I think I'm just going to shave, I don't know, cut off a little bit of excess here and make big baby hairs to cover, but I don't want that to look ugly. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to lay this down as like a regular, I don't know how to explain this, as like a regular wig, like just a regular wig application in the top here, and then as I come down more on the sides, I'm gonna have to like cut and customize. So yeah, I'm gonna stop in between to explain what I'm doing. But you guys have seen, like, I know you guys have seen like a million of wig application videos, so I'm not gonna go into like super detail about what I'm doing. So let me hop on in because I'm talking too much already. I feel like I'm talking too much. So today I'm gonna be using the clear Got To Be glue, and I'm also gonna be using the spray. So pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Okay guys, so my camera overheated again, nothing new. If you're new to my channel, my camera overheating is a very regular occurrence. Camera was off. I laid down my front here so you guys can see. I cut it super close to the cap, like a regular application. I know the line isn't perfect, but we're gonna take care of that later. So what I did was on this side here, hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about. You guys can most likely clearly see my cap underneath the lace here. It's literally right there. So what I did was I took the lace from the wig and I put it over my cap, and I'm gonna lay it down here, and I'm gonna cut the lace right where my cap lies. So when I get to styling the wig, what I'm gonna do is take baby hairs. Hopefully they reach and hopefully it doesn't look crazy, but this is just my brain. Hopefully the baby hairs will go over the line of demarcation so that it looks at least a little bit better. So I'm going to do what I did on this side, which is easy. I took the Got To Be glue, put it on the cap and on my skin all the way down. Not on your skin like all this surface area, but just like on the line of where the cap is and a little bit of your skin. I put it there, and I'm gonna take my lovely handy dandy scissors and I'm going to cut and pull back, but not too much, because if you pull back too much then you're gonna have to reapply everything. But I'm gonna cut where that line is. And generally when I put on my wigs, I don't like to do it one straight line. I like to do like little zigzag. I like to do little zigzags when I'm cutting, just so that it doesn't look so straight, you know what I mean? But because of this whole circumstance, I'm not left too many cutting options. I mean, if you want to still try, you can, but I feel like since we're gonna be covering so much of this hair with baby hairs, that we're not gonna necessarily need to what's the word I'm looking for? We're not necessarily going to need to do that zigzaggy motion, if that makes any sense. We're gonna clean everything up, guys. Don't worry. This is a whole trust the process type of thing. Like, you're learning as I'm learning. Cut off excess cap right here. Sorry. Because what do I need that for? Boom. And boom, that's applied. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera just so that my camera doesn't overheat again. And then we'll be back to figure out these baby hairs. This whole baby hair situation. I'll be back. Okay guys, so we're back. So I laid down both sides. They look tragic. But they actually, it looks, we can do it. We can manage this because the top actually doesn't look half bad. I must admit, like, it doesn't look horrifying, like I want to scream, like this isn't gonna work out, like we need to break up, like we need to see other people, but it's manageable. So the company already got the baby hairs like separated. I'm gonna trim them down like a little bit. So back to the sides here, so we see this huge abundant space of cap. So what I want to do is part it across here. Clips, guys. So this is the hair I just took out. So this is the hair we're gonna take out. Yes, it's a lot. Yes, it's a lot of hair, but for us to do what we need to do to make this work, we're gonna take it out. Yeah, so we're gonna trim this down. Do the same thing on this side. This side is actually a little bit more receded back compared to the other side, but it's fine. I'm gonna lay down these baby hairs like normal. I'm gonna start up top and then we're going to go down the sides here. So yeah, just keep watching. I basically finished applying obviously the whole wig, and I did my makeup, just a little quick, literally just a quick beat it off. So just to forewarn you guys, this might be a fail, so don't come for me. I had this, remember, this is just a learning experience. If you guys have any like ways to improve it, oh god, oh Jesus Christ. Interesting. Oh, this lifted. This isn't the prettiest baby hairs. These are not the prettiest baby hairs. But let's see how we can style it and make it work. I'm not the best at laying baby hairs, that's why I don't lay baby hairs. So I'm gonna do this here, just wet it. Get these curls popping. So what I also wanted to do with this hair was make it more so like a side part. So I comb and part it where I want it to be parted. is nice. The way this is curling up is really nice. I like it. It's just these baby hairs are like bothering me. I really don't like them. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't like the baby hairs. I genuinely don't like them at all. Got to be. And I'm like, oh, I'm not out of frame. Good. I just really don't like these baby hairs. I mean, it's a little bit better. Organics Curl Perfection Defining Cream. It's like that much. I'm gonna rub it in my hands. This actually is a little bit too much, so I'm going to take some off my hand. There we go. And we're just gonna scrunch it in there to help promote curls. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. And this is how I made a frontal wig that was too small fit my head. It's all about showing what you want to show, knowing what works for your head, and all that beautiful stuff. But back to the actual hair itself, I actually like this hair. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I have absolutely no problems with the actual, literally the quality of the hair. It's really good for a little bit lesser expensive hair. I actually really enjoy it. Again, it is from NADULA Hair Company on Amazon. I'm going to leave their links and everything down below. Thank you again, NADULA, for contacting me and sending me this unit to try today. Even though unfortunately it was a little bit too small for me, I still obviously made it work, and I really do appreciate you guys supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you ever so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit of a mess. I really do apologize for that, because I was literally learning as I was going and showing you guys as I was doing it. If you guys would like to see me actually apply a wig that fits my head a little bit better, please leave a comment below. If you guys have any tips for me as to making, or if you guys even know yourself how to make a wig that's a little bit too small fit your head a little bit better, leave a comment below. Help me out, help everybody else out too that is watching this video. You guys are so much more. You guys are so appreciated. I love every single one of you, all 61 of you. 61. It's taken me a really long time to get here, but I'm appreciative of the ride. It's been a little bit of a mess, but it's been great. So next time I record a video, we're gonna be doing a little update, get ready with me video. I already know, because I do have a lot of things that I do want to explain to you guys and tell you guys about why I've been so inconsistent, like a real like truth of why I've been so inconsistent. So yeah, I really do love you guys. I appreciate all of you for subscribing to my channel. If you guys are new and watching my channel, please join the family. You guys are so much, so welcome. And I'm welcome to have you. I'm very welcome to have you. Please join. Don't forget to like. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys liked any part of this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like the hair, give me a thumbs up and everything. So I love you guys. I will see you guys very soon. Peace out.